How to create an overlay in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can click on the this plus icon right here. And then once you have done that, it should be able to open the add elements option into our Wix Studio. Now from in there, click onto the search bar and then search in here for overlay. Now in here, you can see in here some options. So let's choose in here text mask. And this will actually serve as our overlay. So for example, for this one, what you can do is you can just head over and then choose in here a text mask option from in there. Alternatively, if you have a lot of actual elements, you can actually add them as an overlay. What you can do is you can just hover to the part of that element, then click onto these three dots. And then from in there, you can see in here the overlay option or the layers option. So you can utilize your layers in order to add an overlay and the likes for that. So that's how you create an overlay in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.